The government of Mongolia, the National Committee on Gender Equality and Asian Development Bank organized the Sustainable Development Goals Gender and Development Conference.
On June 27th at Best Western Premier Toshing Hotel's Conference Hall, organizers of the Gender and Development Conference greeted more than 200 delegates from around the world to discuss gender equality issues, exchange experiences and good practices, and create an international platform for promoting gender equality goals. The conference kicked off with opening statements from a representative of Prime Minister Hurlsuch, the chair of the National Committee on Gender Equality, Vice Speaker of Parliament in Hamagling, and Ms. Yolanda Fernandez-Lomen, Country Director of Asian Development Bank. Delegates who participated in the conference included guests from Canada, Japan, the Republic of Korea, the USA, and Australia, as well as representatives from local government and civil society organizations, academia, media organizations, embassies, diplomatic missions, and the private sector.
This is a very important point because addressing gender issues requires actions and support from both men and women. And most of the time, in most cases, the reason why men are not engaged is because they are not aware of it or they are not familiar with it. And this is an educational issue. That's why the government should focus efforts on education and awareness campaigns. So since they are little, the boys can grow up and be educated with the understanding and the awareness of these issues. So this will gradually bring to the country and to society a change of mindset that will naturally result in a more equitable society from the gender point of view.
Along with a plenary session, 3 sub-sessions were held. The topics were gender partnerships and partnerships for sustainable employment and access to economic growth, access and use of gender indicators at national and international levels for quality of life, and climate change adaptation and risks and international partnerships for improving rural women's lives and welfare.